Hi everyone, it's me. I do have the papers put together. Somebody's getting mad and he's being a butthead. He likes shredding paper, then chewing it up and spitting it back out. He wants the blades that go to customers, but he's not getting them. You're not getting them. No, you're not. You're not getting them, butthead. Stop. No. Are you done? Are you done? No. Stop. Can't you be a good... Can't you be a good boy? That's not nice. Don't yell. But yeah, getting started now. It's 3:31. Hey! Prince! That is enough! But I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe. Talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.